All right, traders, it's Team With ERVING here. Welcome to another amazing week, guys. I'm gonna be giving you some amazing setup that is coming up for this coming week, guys. I'm gonna be giving you GBP USD. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I think the market is gonna continue selling. I'm gonna break it down beautifully for you. Also, I'm gonna be breaking down Euro USD. I'm gonna tell you exactly what Euro USD is doing this coming week. I'm gonna explain you why the market will be selling and so forth. Also, I'm gonna be giving you USD JPY, and I'm gonna tell you why USD JPY is in a buy position, because I want each and every one of you guys to learn how to trade with rule. One thing that everybody needs to know here, guys, is we need to define long position trading, explaining the profit potential, discuss risk management strategy, share real life example and success story, guys. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to define the short position trading and so forth. So guys, let me explain you how you are going to be doing this. The first thing that I want you to guys pay attention. I'm gonna explain you everything, but I'm gonna tell you step by step. I want you to pay attention to the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer what you're looking for, guys. This is amazing, guys. No one is telling you what I'm telling you here, or they were gonna ask you to pay for a paid subscription. I'm giving you everything for free. Why? Because I want each and every one of you to make hundreds and hundreds of pips in the market. The next thing that we're gonna be looking is we're gonna be looking into our multiple time frame. Then we're gonna be looking to our TW sniper. When the TW sniper entry is always gonna be the yellow arrow. Look at here, yellow arrow. Here's the yellow arrow. So it's there. So it's always gonna be there. Okay, so now what is next, right? Because guys, I want to be honest, I want you guys to learn this business, guys. I want each and every one to learn this business. All right, so the very first thing that we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna be reviewing the very first pair of the day, and that it is GBP USD. Boom, guys, pay close attention to what I'm saying here. The very first thing that you need to pay attention, once again, is to your dashboard. Always take a sneak peek to your 4 hours in daily. Look, it's telling you, it's giving you the answer already. It's telling you the market is selling. That's all you know already. That's your cheat sheet. So you already cheat on the market. What do you need to do next? You need verification. We need to find out where's the multiple time frame. We need to find out where's the TW sniper entry, and we need to find out the stairs are going with the system. That is what we need to do in the real data. Do not forget the dashboard is giving us on 4 hours and daily time frame. It's telling us that we are selling. Now let me show you the real data, because that's why you are here. You are here only to learn the real data. Look at the multiple time frame, guys. Don't forget the dashboard give you a heads up. Selling. What is the multiple time frame doing? Sell. What's the TW sniper entry doing? Sell. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Where is the market heading? Boom. Market is going down. Now look at here. Here is a trend line that I draw here, guys, beautifully for you guys. Look, market is gonna drop another 15-30 more pip, and it's gonna give us a pullback right at this area here, guys. Get ready, because the market this coming week, GBP USD, is gonna be a pullback, retracing our previous multiple time frame, and then from then, boom, market will be selling, guys. But overall, market still selling, but get ready for the pullback. Do not alarm yourselves. Hey, what the hell is going on? The market is going against me. No, market need a break, guys. The market, that break is gonna happen maybe on Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we're gonna see that for the remainder of the week, to be honest. All right, guys, let me know if I'm going too fast, or if you guys want me to show you an advanced technique and tips, or if you guys need to teach you how to compare long-term and short position on here on the market, trading a market. So let me know, guys. Another pair that I'm gonna give you guys, it is the following. It is Euro USD. Look at the dashboard, guys. Just by looking at the dashboard, you already have the answer. What is 4 hours and daily doing? Boom, boom. Look at that. 4 hours and daily time frame is saying, Irvin, wait, we are selling. Let's go and check the real data, because real data is all it matters, right? It's all it matters. Now, let's go. Let's do it. We're here live, guys. Look at here. Let me blow this out. We need to spot. What do we need to do next? Remember, let me draw it with a different pencil so you will see it. Look at here. 4 hours and daily time frame is saying that we're in a sell position. Look at the look at the multiple time frame. Boom, it's telling you we're in a sell position. Remember the yellow arrow, that is your TW sniper entry. Look at that. That's telling you that we're in a sell position. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Where's the trend going? Boom. Market is only going in one direction, guys. You already had the answer just by looking at the dashboard. Now, the question here is the following. Irvin, if the market is selling, how far is that sell gonna go? This is when knowledge kick in, guys. Remember one thing, guys. Do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is risky. Try to be a master of all, guys. Master to none. Always remember that quote. Trying to be a master of all equal master of none. So this is what I think the Euro USD is gonna do, guys. Euro USD is still gonna drop a few more pips, and it's gonna another 34 more pips, to be honest. Let me delete all this drawing because I don't want no one to here to get confused. 40 more pips gonna drop here, and from there market will be giving us a pullback all the way to our previous multiple time frame, and from there market will continue as a sell. So market on Euro USD still selling. Get ready for Tuesday, Wednesday for that pullback that we are looking here, and then finally market will continue on the original trend, because all I'm seeing here is a sell position. Guys, what do you want to do? Do you guys who need help in here, guys? If there's a pair that I'm not gonna cover today, please let me know in the comment below. You can send me a private Telegram, a private WhatsApp, whatever you want. Let me know so I can help you. The goal here is to help each and every one of you, so you don't have to pay for signal. You don't have to pay for BS signal, to be honest. There's a lot of people that are taking advantage of you, guys. Don't allow that. Don't allow people to take advantage of it. Learn this business, guys. This business is very simple, but you need to trade with rule. If you don't have rule, just don't do it. Just practice in your demo account, blow your demo account, and come back and put real money into your real account. All right, so let me show you another amazing pair that I believe the market is doing exactly what I told you last week, because I did give you that beautiful pair, and that it is USD JPY. Look at the dashboard, guys. Oh my goodness. Let me drink some water, guys, because I'm getting super excited, to be honest. Whew. I'm telling you, guys. Look, guys. Look at the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. I'm not lying here. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Boom. 4 hours and daily saying what? We are buying. Look, the system already gave us the answer. Now, what do we need to do? We need to verify that is true, because that's what you're here for. Now, let me you know what? Let me shrink the candle. Look at here. Let me do it in a different way, because I want you to learn. Look at here. Here's your multiple time frame. Here's the TW. I'm sorry, that's a multiple time frame. Here's the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading? Boom, 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 boom. Where's the real trend going? Boom. Market is only going in one direction. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard gave you the answer. It did give you the answer. All you have to do now is go with the trend. The trend is your friend until you bend, and you don't want to bend over, guys. You just don't want to do that. Trade with the trend. That is your friend. I don't care what people are gonna tell you. Trade with the trend, guys. However, Irvin, How far is this buy gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna reach, guys, another 40-50 more pip before we do see a beautiful, guys, a beautiful retracement here, which is gonna be what? It's gonna be a pullback. That's what I believe the market is gonna do this coming week, guys. Market is getting ready to give us a nice retracement. So that retracement here is valid, guys, and then market will continue on that buy trend, because as we all remember, don't forget, the market here is the original trend is bullish, guys. It's not doing anything else. Let me delete all this drawing, so let me put it in a different point of view, guys. Overall market still going up. We're gonna be getting a pullback coming down. It's gonna retrace this previous multiple 10 frame once, or either it's gonna come back to your 23.6 Fibonacci level, but I just want to be more safe. I'm gonna leave it in there, and boom, market will continue on a buy trend. Guys, please, guys, don't blow your account, guys. Please trade with rule, guys. Try not to be a master of all, which is gonna be master of none. Trade with rules, guys. You need help? Let me know. I can help you, guys. Guys, make sure you share this video, guys. Share this video with all the traders, everyone that need to know what's going on with the market. Guys, trade with patience. Love this business. Be dedicated. Learn the rules. Guys, I want to thank everyone anyway for being here. It's very important to thank you, to be honest. I want to also, bless somehow the world, and I want God to bless you, your family, the world, and God bless Ukraine, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, thank you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you guys on the other side of the aisle. Remember, let's trade with rule. Let's trade with 10 with Irving. Boom.